I'm Dale Woolridge, a NASA project manager for Center Operations here at Stennis Space Center. We're here today to witness the reinstallation of the refurbished miter gates. Built in the 60s, the miter gates were in desperate need of refurbishment to maintain a safe operating condition for the locks. The locks allows marine traffic to enter Stennis Space Center and access to test stands through the canal system, bringing various items, including test hardware, for propulsion test. So it's very critical to Stennis Space Center to maintain a good operation. In order to do that, we had to pull the miter gates and have them shipped off-site for a very extensive refurbishment. The contractor has recently brought the gates back and is in the process of reinstalling the gates. Another reason why the navigation lock project is critical is because some of the hardware, some of the items that need to get to the test stands can only be brought in by marine traffic, not across the roadway. In the interim, the contractor installed a retaining wall to keep the canal level back from the Pearl River. The Stennis Canal level is approximately 16.5 feet above the Pearl. So the lock system allows marine traffic to elevate and come into Stennis Space Center. The navigation lock project is just one of many that ensures the ability for Stennis to maintain future test operations.